gusto mong matutong kantahin ang paborito mong kanta, i-download mo ang Star Maker. Ito ay isang karaoke app na may napakaraming nakakatuwang features. Katulad ng pitch correction para mas maganda ang tunog ng boses mo. At AI voice replacement para ma-remix mo ang paborito mong kanta gamit ang mga sikat na boses ng mga celebrities. I-tap na at i-download na ngayon.
That's a bit of a long story. It started probably my last couple of years of high school, and my dad's in the medical industry, and he just was putting ideas out there, I think just hoping I would go to university. And I came across physiotherapy and thought, oh, that's for me. But when I learned a little bit more about occupational therapy, I realised it was better for me in terms of working with people and connecting with people, because that's what I love. I remember her coming in, not being able to move any of her body. She had a really severe drowning incident in Manly, and she was in bed, couldn't move, didn't know where she was, and was just coming to grips with what had happened to her. But luckily I stayed with her through her whole rehabilitation journey in the hospital, and then moving on to a different hospital in rehab. And I now still see her in the community, and to see her up and walking and living her life has been absolutely amazing. It's also really, really important when you are working with different funding bodies who are constantly questioning your thoughts and your opinions and your recommendations. And that's when I really strongly draw on standardised assessments, so that I can prove to them the changes or the improvements that my clients are seeing in their therapy. It's great evidence for allowing them to have more funding and to have more input with their therapists.
I like it. Yep, it's mine. The prices blow my mind. I feel so rich. I feel like a billionaire. I'm shopping like a billionaire. I'm shopping like a billionaire. Let's go. I'm shopping like a billionaire. I get it straight from the makers. I'm shopping like a billionaire.
Download the Temu app and shop like a billionaire.